Welcome to my channel, and today is our last day in Jeju Island. So this is my hotel with this wonderful view, and if you would like to come here, you will see that this is very close to the airport. Around 5 to 10 minutes drive to the airport. And this hotel, they have like a runway view and also the ocean view on the other side. And apart from this, I chose this hotel because there are nearby attractions around, so they are just walkable distances. So such as the Rainbow Coastal Road and also the Dodobong Peak. So I'm gonna show that to you later, okay? Now it's a little bit rainy, so I'm worried about the weather. So I will see. I think I'm gonna leave a little bit later. This is in front of my hotel, and as you can see, there is a Starbucks in between and also the ocean. Now I'm gonna start my day. I will walk going to Dodobong Peak. It just rained actually, so that's why it's looking like this and still dark. Anyway, since this is my last day today in Jeju Island, so I'm gonna go to Dodobong Peak. I cannot miss this, okay? So we will see how is it there, and then I'm gonna show you around. So maybe you also wanted to come here. It's 20 to 30 minutes walking distance depending on your pacing, and it's around 1 to 2 kilometers. I'm not that much sure. Now I'm at the Rainbow Coastal Road. Not that much people here because it's little bit drizzling yet. Finally, I reached Dodobong Peak, but I wasn't able to take videos because it was rainy earlier. So these are the only clips that I have for you guys. There are a lot of stairs and they are steep, so be prepared for all this. I think my outfit gone wrong, but anyway, the view is so beautiful. I'm lucky because there are not that much people here today, but it's just slippery. So we'll enjoy the view and also the filming location of the series Welcome to Samdalri. So this is the place when they were still young. The lead actress made a promise to leave Jeju Island forever. And I reached the peak, so you can have a 360 view of Jeju City, and it is best to visit in the morning and also in the afternoon. So now, enjoy the view for a while.
심장이 멈춘 것만 같아 제발 나를 살게 해줘 난 다시 또 사랑에 빠진 것 같아 이제 사랑을 할 것.
Now after spending quite some time here, I'm heading to Bomnal Cafe. Bomnal Cafe is another filming location and it is around 60 minutes travel from here, so I will go to the nearest bus stop. And now we are at Bomnal Cafe, and you can see the AWOL windmills. This Bomnal Cafe is the filming location of the series Warm and Cozy. So according to the series, the lead actor bought this cafe for the heroine and then she ended up running it. Now let's take a bus to the most important filming location that I shouldn't miss because this is my favorite series, which is the When Life Gives You Tangerines.
왜 너와 난 만났을까 그 많은 사람들 중에 같은 시간 같은 공간에 같은 눈빛으로
Guys, I rented a hanbok here and now look, isn't it beautiful? So it's my dream to wear this. And also I'm so happy today because the entrance is free, as I've told you in our previous vlog that it's October, so everything's free to all museums and other art exhibits here.
돌아서는 널 보면 가슴이 먹먹해 숨이 막히잖아 그 누가 날 너처럼 사랑해줄까 누가 나처럼 널 사랑해 천 번을
Now the time has come for me to say bye-bye to Jeju Island. So I don't have enough time to wait for the bus going to my hotel. So what I did, I booked Uber. I have a flight in 2 hours basically. So I just need to take my luggage and book Uber again to the air, which is just closed. Oh, it's a beautiful sunset saying bye-bye to me. Thank you so much, Jeju Island, for all the memories. I really enjoyed my trip here. It was challenging to travel by bus, but just be prepared for the timings. And see you again next time. Thank you so much. Guys, if you have questions, please drop down below. I will answer all your questions. Now, I already did check in. It was very fast. It took me around 5 minutes only. And also, I spent some of my won buying this yogurt. This is my favorite actually, so it's so yummy and I'm gonna miss this for sure. So I'm waiting for my boarding. Okay, so I will have fun with this yogurt. Thank you again. See you in my next vlogs. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.
사랑해